Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada nak senang Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong sisim citayo hak sisa jan Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedan punjat kilkom hikai hak liang ka tem kaput bat karwai ke siau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal kikena akibahan nyos nam senang kila banwan pentebit hak neg music school bat amdan jinge nagam tagi larang baru banwan pentebit hak neg music school ki Laitili Autonomous District Council jong Jilla Meghalaya ki bakantup ya ga KHADC ka JHADC bat ka GHADC mentaka sinkong kila dawa nak sarkar jilla banaya ke jingkhen ka biang thik pathik halor ki bha jongki naga khajana marpo khando minor and major bat ki khajana kali lane ka motor vehicle tax haba pentip ya kene sakilat pathaku bor halor ke jingkran ha ketika jingilang jongki Laitili ki council u CM jong ka KHADC uba Titos Starwell Khany ulong bagi Laitili ki ADC kilai kran ya kene ka kam ha ka baide bat kapla tangka jong ki Laitili ki ADC dag ba kentu ya sarkar jala malada long kumno ban ai ke jingkhen ge babiang thik pathik ha ka baide bat kene ka kam Shushu long ro ba ki district council ki juyo ya ka bha anak sarkar jala kum ka minor and major minerals bat motor vehicle tax Henry ke basosi kalong ba hamaro kini kisnem ki council kim juyo ya ki jingkhen ke babet bahaduk ano ka bha jong ki council ka dei ban long Henry la shyo kat ba aya ka bha nalor jong gane uba Titos Starwell Khany ulong ba ki Laitili ki ADC ki lai kran ru halor ke jingslem jong ka sarkar ban pelaj ka song pisa jong ka 15 finance commission ba ai da sarkar pedang bat kerpat ru ban pelaj ka song pisa hapo ka por ka badai kenang bon la ban pentrikam ya ketika bha syakling jaka ki badan kam ban yo priang ya ketika jingirap bat hatang-hatang ke perlong ru ya ke council ban sateng ki kam namar kecing penslem jong sarkar jela ban pelaj ya ke pisah bat kesiam jing ru ya ke council ban penbiang ya ki utilization certificate ban pha syak sarkar pedang UCM jong ke HADC ulong ru bagi Laitili ki ADC hadu mentakim pat yo satia ya ke song pisah ha ke baide bat ke on tight scheme jong snem arjar arpoi arpoar bat arjar arpoar arpolai
this meeting of all the 3D ADC represented by the Honorable CM of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council along with Deputy CM and CM of Giant Hills Autonomous District Council along with Deputy CM and EMs and from Khasi Hill myself and all the esteemed members including our respected chairman of the council. So we have a very cordial successful meeting today. We have discussed some important issue, especially regarding the intention of the central government to introduce their bill of uniform civil code in the country. So we feel that UCC will directly had an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have unanimously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. We will pass also a resolution in our respective council soon regarding this matter. Secondly, regarding the amendment of the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule, this matter has been kept for so long, so we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues, that is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. these are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Garo Hills and Jaintia Hills that in KHADC we have passed an act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, which they should pass this bill, so that implementation of village council will not no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in their respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council, like Jaintia Hills and Garo Hills also. Maybe they will have more amendment, or they will pass this separate bill, which we call Village Development Council Bill. You see, we used to get a share from the state government, like minor mineral share, major mineral share, and motor vehicle tax share from the state government. But unfortunately, all these years, we never get a correct calculation how much our share used to be. We always got a lump sum amount of share. So we would like to urge the state government that at least we should get an actual calculation regarding this matter, all these years. So we would like also to urge the state government to get more fund for all the three ADC, especially like a plant scheme, other financial assistance, and even we have discussed about the delay in our 15 financial assistance, 15 Finance Commission award, which we used to get from the central government regarding like the GTC, or to urge the government to release our fund in time. Because the delaying of release of fund is also the delay of implementation of the scheme. Because from the central government, they used to give us pressure to submit the UC. But we cannot submit our UC in time because we didn't get our fund in time. So right now, we are not getting our fund like on-tight scheme right from 21, 22 to 23, we have not get. Like health scheme also we are not getting till now. So these are the problems which we face by all the three ADC. So we would like jointly to urge the state government to see this kind of delaying in implementation of the scheme should not be taken place.